Welcome to J&J Auto Contest video of S4fd356. Today we're checking out a 2004 Ford F250 Harley Davidson with 178,000 miles, 6-liter Powerstroke cold start. There she goes. This truck came from California, trucked her all the way in. Very, very light end collision. Stinks. Sucks that this thing's total. I would have loved this vehicle. Oh well. 6-liter Powerstroke under the hood. Sounds good. Doing diesel things. Check the blow-by. Late 04 because it's got the ICP sensor in the front. No blow-by. It's a big win on these trucks. Awesome two-tone Harley Davidson, black and gray. Nice condition all the way around. Unfortunately, the auction caught the tailgate on us and the driver's doors. That damage down there was not there when we purchased this unit. Well, that kind of sucks. Nice black leather interior, aftermarket DVD player. Nice cold air. Power sliding window works. You guys see it dancing back there. Go ahead and test out the transmission. Drive. And reverse. A very nice running truck. Alright guys. I think that's going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of our 2004 Ford F250 Super Duty. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Save the Harley trucks and buy some Bitcoin. Thanks for watching.